So Blue Monk is the standard of the month here on my YouTube channel and Patreon page. Now I think this is the first time I've used this guitar on this channel, so let me know what you think of the tone. My arrangement's got a little intro and outro and it's twice through. If you'd like to learn it, you can get the tab and notation on the lowest tier of my Patreon page, link in the description. Now that arrangement really is a lesson in double stops and inversions of chords and connecting passing chords between inversions of the same chord. So if you'd like to learn that, then do check the linking in the description to my Patreon page. I'd also like to say this video took a bit longer to record than normal. This was my second attempt because it was heavily disrupted by someone I'd like to introduce, our new puppy Willow. During my first attempt at recording this, she'd pulled a manuscript book off my bookshelf behind me and had torn it to shreds. Anyway, I hope you like that arrangement. As I said, let me know what you think of the tone of this Black L5 CES. And if you'd like to learn the basic chords and learn about the harmony to this classic B-flat blues, then I'll put that up on the screen because every jazz guitar player needs to know how to play a B-flat blues. Don't forget, jazz guitar lessons every Monday. Until next time, you take care.